This is a live visual of the police that are going to Mkandla today. Look at them. Look at them. Both sides of the road, full of police. They can't speak Zulu. They can't speak local language. Look at them. Look at them. The live visuals. Ushobile madoda. Look at this police.